So what's good? It's your boy Thrax, and I'm back in the building, and I'd like to welcome you back to Thrax.Kicks, the channel where I do sneaker reviews, how-tos, and sneaker news. Today we're gonna be hopping into day 3 of my 60 Days of Sneaker series. The show starts right now. Alright y'all, today we're gonna go ahead and hop into day 3 of my 60 Days of Sneakers, and today we got a special collab between BAIT and Saucony, so I hope y'all ready for this. So what y'all seen in the thumbnail was the Saucony Shadow 6000 Crew World BAIT collab. It's one of the dopest runners that I got in my collection, man. They are super comfortable. It's one of my favorite colors. It's got blue in it. It's got a gray minty color to it. Man, the colors on here are undefeated. I swear they are, man. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this box. Alright man, starting off with the toe, we're just gonna see that we got perforated suede all around the toe box, and then you got that minty gray color right here that's all along the toe, and then you got the same color rolling into the upper, and then you also got blue suede right here, and then you got perforated suede on the S for Saucony. The whole tongue is laced in that minty grayish suede. Then on the tongue you have the BAIT collab stamp, and on the inside of the tongue you can also see that BAIT collab stamp. They dripped the laces in blue, and they also gave you that BAIT stamp on the shoelace tips. And then all along the midsole, you got blue splatters on top of that minty gray. They also went with a navy blue strip all along the midsole, and then they put a little bit of white right here with gray splattering. On the bottom, you got an XT600 Saucony sole, and it's also that green-gray minty color as well. On the insides, they went with an all-leather sock liner. And what's cool about these is they also gave you that BAIT symbol as well on the insole, and that is an all leather insole as well too. That's really, really dope right there, man. They even went as far as to detail the eyelets right here and put that little minty looking color right there. And I think that's just a good little pop to separate the blue that's on the overlay right here. Quality control wasn't too bad on these, but you can see like right here, it's got a little bit of thread sticking out. And then I think it's some on this side too. But I mean, you can just tuck that back in with your fingernail, your thumbnail, whatever. It is what it is. It's still a dope shoe, and they look great on feet, and they're super, super comfortable. So not too many complaints here about this shoe at all. If y'all are wondering about BAIT, it's a company that's out in San Francisco, and they specialize in footwear, apparel, they do collectibles, anything that's up a sneakerhead's alley, they gonna hook you up, man. I'm gonna drop their link down in the description below so y'all can head on over and y'all can check them out. I was able to get these for still on eBay. If I remember right, I'm pretty sure I paid about 50 bucks for these, and that is a steal for a collab, man. Any type of collab, that's a steal. They have been worn a little bit, nothing too crazy though. They weren't beat or nothing like that, man. They look pretty much fresh out the box, other than the outsole being a little bit dirty, having some smudges on the bottom. But honestly, that's nothing that I cannot clean up. So again, I'm not too worried about that, man. With the colors in the shoe, it made it pretty easy for me to put an outfit together. This is definitely one of the outfits that I can rock with those. And then I can also throw on my Braves jerseys. I can throw on my Braves hats with them. So it's not too hard to come up with an outfit to go with these, man. Super versatile shoe, very comfortable shoe. I recommend 10 out of 10, I swear to you, man. For me, I think the favorite parts of the shoe are the BAIT stamps on the inside and the outside of the tongue tag. But y'all can get down in the comments, y'all can let me know what y'all favorite part of the sneaker is. And on that note, I can go ahead and get these on feet for y'all. Man, y'all know the drill. Get down in the comments and let me know if y'all like this shoe. Y'all like and share this video, get it out to all y'all friends. Y'all don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so y'all can catch all my videos. This has been Thrax.Kicks, and I'm out.